Hello everyone, welcome to Nana's Classics Stitches channel. If you are new to my channel, thank you for clicking. And returnees, thank you so much for keep watching my videos. Today, we're still on the basic pattern. We're going to be talking about the instruction sheets today. And I'm going to move a little bit closer to the camera so you can see. Okay, let's start. At the top, it gives you how many pages. And this one is from 1 to 8. Good. And the next, this particular pattern, they've given you the designers who came up with it. The next is they're giving you pieces with all their names and the numbers. Every piece has a number, and they've given you the names of each piece. This is page 1 anyway. And then on this side, they're giving you all the pieces again with their ease added to it. Some places is 2 inches, some places is 3 inches, all added to it. Is the extra fabric or inches that they've added to the pattern to be wearable. Like when you wear it, you can move your arm, you can move your legs, you can walk, so on and so forth. So is the extra fabric they added to the basic pattern for you to move. Okay, there, let's see. Now he's giving you instructions of how to take your measurements and all that. But I'll walk you through that. So today, let's just concentrate on the sheet itself. Let's flip. Now, it's giving you, this is also still the measurement. It's giving you how to put the pieces, the pattern pieces itself together. Like pinning it itself so you can try it on to fit yourself. The pattern pieces, the shoulder, the side seam, the dots, pinning it all together so you can try it on to fit yourself. Let's open the next page. So continuing telling you how to pin it and put it on and fit yourself. Here. And then this side is showing you long sleeves, short sleeves, how to fit yourself. This is not cut on the fabric, any fabric or any tracing paper, just the pattern pieces itself. Okay, let's move on to page 3. Now, the same thing is walking you through how to fit yourself. And with this, if you by yourself, it's very difficult, but you can do it. Just step by step, step by step. You have to have a mirror. And what else do you need? Yeah, you have to have a mirror. And you don't have to have on a bulky outfit. Have a light underwear or leotard on to be able to do this, to get, not to be able to do it, to do it to get the right size. Okay? Now let's open to page. Now, after that, it's giving you the symbols. This is where you have to pay close attention to before you cut on, you use your pieces to cut on your fabric. Okay? I'm going to move away a bit so I can see what I'm doing. The first, I hope you can see, the first arrow is your grain line. This symbol is on fold line. This symbol is buttonhole. This symbol is button. And this symbols is hard to see, so I shaded it down here, so I'll tell you about it. These symbols are your notches and how to put your pieces together, the side seam, the back seam, if there's a front seam, which pieces belongs to which pieces. okay, front and back, center back, and so on. And this symbol is your bust point, and also the waist, the armhole. If there's any fitting or anything, they have the symbol to walk you through it. I hope you guys can see all of it. Okay, yeah, this symbol is hard to see. It's hard to see here, so I shaded it at the bottom there for you to see it. Okay, now this is the layout of cutting your fabric. If it's 60 width, if it's 45 width, it's showing you both style A and B and C. It's showing you step by step. And then if you look at it, you can see some that are shaded a little bit darker than some. I'll show you what that means on the next page. Okay, so this is laying out your pieces on your fabric, 45 width, 60 width, both style A and B. It's walking you through. And then there's another symbol here that I want to show you. This symbol is an example of how to shorten or lengthen your top, your pants, your skirt, wherever you need to lengthen or shorten. This symbol is walking you through, and they're giving you an example. Every pattern that you buy, you're going to adjust it. It doesn't matter what. It could be the shoulder, the sleeves, the side seam, the waist, the hips, and so on and so forth. You're going to end up adjusting the pattern. And I'll do that in the next video. Maybe the next 2 videos, I'll show you how to, if you have, for example, bust size 32 and you have hips 36, how to adjust all that. Okay, thank you. Let's move on. This is page 5B. Okay, this, as I told you earlier, the shade, this tells you the right side of the fabric, the wrong side of the fabric, the interfacing is gluing side and plain top that you use to stiffen up fabric when you're doing your collars, your cuffs, your pocket edge, what do you call it, and some areas. So, but I'll walk you through. It comes in white, black, gray, and I think off-white. I'll try to get some of them and then show you. I think I have white and black here now. I don't know where I put them. Okay, if there's a lining, it's also telling you the right side and the wrong side on the pattern shade. If you look at the layout of the pattern, you see some shaded more gray and some are white. It's telling you the right side and the wrong side of the pattern, how they've laid it. And then it tells you about your seam allowances, how to grade it. Okay, and now also how to clip your corners and all that for the fabric to relax. Next is telling you, I can't see what I'm doing. Next is telling you the ease stitch, the finish stitch, the stay stitch, the skip stitch, under no, not under stitch, top stitch, under stitch. It's walking you through all that and it's explaining it and telling you how to do that. Now this is where the interfacing comes in. See your collar, under collar, so on and so forth, for you to join to your pieces. This is walking you through the top and the skirt. And as I said, we're going to do the skirt separately. We're not going to join ours. This is also still the skirt. This is page 6. It's telling you how to do your dots and join the top to the skirt. And it's walking you through the zipper, the dot matching, and the facing for your collar and your armhole, whether you want long sleeves or short sleeves. Okay, this is it. It's walking you through the sleeves. Short sleeves, oh, can you see? Long sleeves, short sleeves, sleeveless, how to finish all that. Good, I think we finished this. Now, page 7 and 8 of 8 is French. And as I said, where I live, we speak both French and English. And of course, I've been talking to you in English. So page 7 of 8 and 8 of 8 is French. So we're leaving that one out. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye for now. See ya.